Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang. In last video, we saw that how to use these curly braces for binding text from script to main. Now, one thing about the strings in this is that they are rendered as plain text. For example, if I write a string like this, italic equal to, so if I write this in curly braces, see what happens. Save it and here. See, the I tags are also there. Sometimes it happens that you need that it is rendered as HTML. One example can be like if you are making a rich text editor where there are text in bold, italic, underlined text. These type of texts are there, then you need that the HTML should be rendered, which we will give in our JavaScript. So for doing that, we will use @HTML tag. So save it again and then see. Now my text is italicized. So this is one of the use cases for this HTML tag. You can use any tag with that. For example, let's suppose one more example we can take @HTML, and here we can define a new variable called bold, which will be strong. So now you can see our text is rendered as bold. You can do many variations also. If you want some like styling, if you have put some styling here, you can also do that. But one thing is important while using this @HTML, that only render the HTML which you are very sure about, like 100% surety. Don't be like use random links, random API calls, nothing, because it is a very vulnerable state for our application, because this @HTML opens for cross-cryptic attacks. Like the hackers can use this and can attack your website. So due to security reasons, this @HTML approach is not much used, and there are other methods of achieving the same thing which also provide security. So keep that in mind. When you are using @HTML in curly braces, this is called binding HTML. That in previous video we saw how to bind text from script to main. Now we are binding HTML from script to main. So this is the difference between these two concepts. So that's all for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.